Hello, I don't know if you've had this problem, but I have actually received drawings where, although I'm expecting to see everything in 2D, I actually have a lot of objects with different Z values, which basically means they're all over the place. Now I've constructed a fairly crazy version here, lots of rectangles at different levels connected by these red lines. And if you had to do everything by hand, it would be really quite tricky getting all of that onto one level, practically on the level of our paper, as it were. If we're drawing in 2D in our model area, then everything should have a Z value of 0. There are basically two ways of solving this problem. The easiest one is, of course, if you have the full version of AutoCAD and can use things from the Express tools, because there is a command called flatten, and it does just that. It flattens everything, so everything has a Z value of 0. Except what it does is just flatten the things in relation to our view, in fact. So if I were to say here flatten, just to do it wrong to start with, here modify, flatten objects, I'll say all, enter, enter, remove hidden lines, enter to say no. It's obviously working at something. It looks like nothing has happened though. But in actual fact, if I orbit around, we can see that I have actually flattened everything. We're not in relation to the XY axes, but to my viewpoint. Let's assume that's not actually what we want. So I'll just kind of go back here. I'll change my view to look from the top. I repeat my command here, flatten objects. I select all, enter, enter, enter. It's obviously done something. And now when I look from the front, all we see is a straight line. So all of the Z values have been changed to 0. And what's actually quite incredible about that, really, if I just go back again, just go back to our original view, I actually have a block here where the different lines and everything are actually going from one level to another, and my rectangles are also on different levels, so they have different Z values. But nonetheless, that was flattened. So that's our first option. If we have the full version, we can install the Express tools, and in this command group modify, we can use the command flatten objects. Now our second possibility is in fact to use the move command. Now how do we do this? Well, I'm going to go again to the view from the top, and I'm also going to make sure that dynamic input is out, and as I said, use a move command. So move all, enter, enter. My base point is 0, 0, and my first displacement point is 0, 0, 1 E99. Enter. Enter to go back to move. Select objects would be all, enter, enter, 0, 0, enter, 0, 0, minus 1 E99. Enter. Okay, let's see if that's worked. I'll look from the front. When in actual fact it has, it's moved everything to a value of 0 for Z, except what it couldn't do was to kind of transform this block, as in fact the flatten command was able to do. So what I'm going to do is do a right click, block editor, and just repeat that process. So we can do move all, enter, enter, 0, 0, enter, 0, 0, 1 E99, enter, enter, all, enter, enter, 0, 0, enter, 0, 0, 1 E99. Whoops, forgot the minus. The minus comes here. Enter. When I look at that now, save changes, everything's actually as I originally wanted it. Now I just kind of rattled through that fairly quickly, so if you weren't taking notes, you don't have to go back in the video. I will actually put this text in the text of the video on YouTube, so you can just kind of copy it from there if you so desire. Now interestingly, this would be a good situation to use our command recorder if you have quite a lot of drawings where this is the case and you just want to kind of go through them in one go. So what I'm going to do is go back to where I started. So there we are again. I'm going to go to the view from the top. There we go. Let's put that out. I find that in Manage, Record. So move all, enter, 0, 0, enter, 0, 0, 1, E99, enter, all, enter, 0, 0, enter, 0, 0, 1, E99, I forgot the minus again, there it goes, put it in there, enter. Okay, and there we have our actions. Stop. Let's call that, just call it Z equals 0. Gives everything a value of 0. Yeah, I think Z equals is understandable as anything else. Let's say OK. How about that? Yeah. OK. So everything's back to how it was before. Yeah, pretty much 3D. Let's view from the top. Let's play that through. Close. Look from the front. There's our block. It's not looking good. We open it in the block editor. Go again here to Manage, Play, Close, Close and Save, and everything's on 0. So, in case you were wondering what on earth is this recorder for, that is a good example of what you could use it for if you so wanted to. Well, thanks very much for your viewing. I'm looking forward to having you with me another time for another video, another opportunity for us to six-pack our AutoCAD skills.